Most power companies have a very one-sided view of power distribution.
We sell it, you buy it.
But customers of an electric cooperative like Novec have a very special kind of power. Electric cooperatives are customer-owned, so they answer to you. As a Novec customer, your voice has a lot of power with us. Novec customers elect a local board of directors, which help to determine how we operate. They're your neighbors, making decisions that affect the communities where they live, which is where you live. And when you're a Novec customer, you not only receive power, but a share of the profits. $9 million will be distributed to customers this year. We've been of the people, by the people, and for the people for more than a half-century. As the electric utility industry goes through changes, you can trust Novec to make sure your voice gets heard and your interests are protected. That's a kind of power we're very proud to provide. Novec, proven power.
You've been watching RegionalRetailer.com, a multimedia retailing service developed specifically to provide information from our retail community directly to our subscribers. Jones Communications is not in any way affiliated with the local retailer featured in this segment. This service is strictly informational, and all product transactions remain solely between the retailer and his or her customer. To see your business featured on RegionalRetailer.com, give us a call or visit our website. Wishing you a happy holiday season to all of our new neighbors in Prince William County. Thank you to all of you who have come to visit our new store and given us an unbelievable first few months. All of us at Farish would like to wish you and your families a safe and happy holiday season. From all of us at Shannon and Old Town Auto Sales to you and yours, thank you for a wonderful year. May your holidays be filled with peace, joy, and prosperity. And may the new year bring you good health and happiness.
This week and next, only at Strawbridge and Clothier.
Don't miss the Casper Wardrobe Clinic in Plymouth meeting, Thursday at 12:15 and 1:15.